Hi everybody, today I want to present you a house located across the river in Jucanya. It is close to the lake. It is a 2 apartment mirroring and it could be a great place to retire. So I invite you to follow me.
I am Armand Boissy, your real estate agent in Guatemala, Lake Atitlan.
So this house is located across the river in Jucanya, which is a neighborhood. It is 300 meters from the lake, so you can walk down to the beach. You have an entrance which come into a hall because the entrance is pedestrian, and there you distribute on both sides 2 apartment mirroring. So there is a big living room with big windows going to the garden and kitchen ready to be finished. There's also a bedroom in the back and a bathroom, a full bathroom with sink, toilet and shower. The structure is concrete, iron roof with tin lamina on top, but it is set up also. You could build a second floor with some work done, and you could have an apartment to live on top and 2 apartments to rent below. It's a great location in the street. It's 50 meters off the street, easy access from the village, and it is a kind of a residential neighborhood at the end of the Calle Salpores, the main street in Jucanya going to the lake. It's basic, but with some work, it could be beautiful, and it's a great place for retire, so you can use it as an income-making property as well, with a little garden. So check it out.
Remember to click on the channel, click on the bell to be updated on the last videos, share it with people who might be interested, and comment also as well. Thank you very much.